Which vehicles are most dependable and can easily surpass 200,000 miles? Today, we reveal the top 12 that can reach 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Based on consumer reports and other sources, let's dive in. Number 12. Honda Civic. With routine maintenance, the Civic, which has a solid reputation for dependability, may easily reach 200,000 miles. For long-term durability, the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is the best choice, reliable, robust, and built to last. The Civic receives an A+ rating from CarEdge, which estimates that over the course of 5 years, maintenance and repairs will only cost $1,400. Number 11. Toyota Highlander. The Highlander has a solid reputation for dependability that dates back more than 20 years, making it one of the safest three-row SUV options. CarEdge agrees, grading the Highlander an A+ and projecting that repairs and maintenance will only cost $1,600 over a 5-year period. But it's important to remember that Toyota recently swapped out the Highlander's reliable V6 engine for a new four-cylinder turbocharged engine. And it's still unclear if the new engine will last as long as the V6. Although less likely, the Highlander Hybrid has a traditional non-turbo engine that should be very dependable for consumers seeking a safer option. Number 10. Toyota 4Runner. Given its reputation as one of the most dependable cars available, it's a little surprised that Consumer Reports didn't give it a higher rating. CarEdge, which rates the 4Runner an A+ and projects $1,600 in maintenance and repairs over 5 years, undoubtedly agrees with its reputation. Number 9 is the Ford F-150. The F-150 can undoubtedly travel 200,000 miles, but it's questionable if it can do so without experiencing any issues. Although the 5.0-liter V8 is usually regarded as reliable, the EcoBoost engines in particular might be a little unpredictable at high miles. Despite giving the F-150 an A rating, CarEdge estimates that maintenance and repairs will cost $2,700 over the course of 5 years. Number 8. Honda Odyssey. It remains a standout in the minivan segment, particularly for drivers who want a robust, time-tested V6 engine, something increasingly rare as competitors like the Toyota Sienna have switched exclusively to hybrid powertrains. The Odyssey's 3.5-liter V6 not only offers smooth power delivery, but is also renowned for its longevity, easily handling high-mileage use with proper care. CarEdge rates the Odyssey with an impressive A- reliability score, and its projected maintenance and repair costs are estimated at just $2,000 over 5 years, making it cost-efficient in the long run. Meanwhile, IC Cars highlights the Odyssey as one of the top minivans with a high percentage of models still on the road after 200,000 miles. Number 7. Toyota Corolla. The Corolla ranks 7th on Consumer Reports' list of the most reliable cars, renowned for its ability to easily surpass 200,000 miles without major issues. As a small car, the Corolla has built a legacy of dependability over decades, making it a top choice for those seeking long-term reliability in a compact package. Its simple yet robust design ensures it remains trouble-free with minimal upkeep, even after years of heavy use. CarEdge gives the Corolla an A rating, highlighting its impressively low estimated maintenance and repair costs of just $1,100 over 5 years. This makes it one of the most affordable vehicles to maintain in the long run, adding to its appeal for budget-conscious drivers. Although IC Cars ranks it slightly lower at number 14, the Corolla consistently proves its value as a long-lasting, reliable small car that can handle the demands of high mileage without breaking the bank. Number 6. Toyota Tundra. For anyone seeking a full-size truck that can easily exceed 200,000 miles, the Tundra is a top choice. Known for its consistent reliability, it has avoided the issues that often plague domestic rivals. CarEdge rates it an A, with estimated maintenance and repair costs of just $2,000 over 5 years. It also ranks 3rd on IC Cars' list of vehicles most likely to hit 400,000 miles, largely thanks to its robust V8 engine from previous generations. While the new twin-turbo V6 is still too new to fully evaluate, the Tundra's strong track record makes it a safe bet for long-term dependability. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma, a consistent pick from Consumer Reports, is a well-known leader in the mid-size truck segment, celebrated for its outstanding reliability. It's often regarded as the go-to choice for drivers looking for a truck that can go the distance, and IC Cars ranked it 6th on their list of vehicles most likely to reach 400,000 miles. However, CarEdge gave the Tacoma a slightly lower rating with a B for reliability. The newest Tacoma now features a turbocharged engine, which has yet to be proven over the long haul. While we'll have to wait and see if it matches the durability of previous models, the Tacoma's strong history still makes it one of the safest bets for long-term dependability in the mid-size truck market. Number 4. Honda CR-V. Ranked highly by Consumer Reports, the CR-V continues to stand out for its reliability. It earned an A+ rating from CarEdge, with projected maintenance and repair costs of just $1,900 over 5 years, one of the best in its class. iSeeCars also gave it high marks, ranking it 15th across all vehicles and 7th among SUVs most likely to exceed 400,000 kilometers. While the CR-V is known for its overall dependability, there have been some concerns about the 1.5-liter turbo engine in recent models. For extra peace of mind, the hybrid version is highly recommended, offering strong reliability without the engine-related issues. The CR-V remains one of the best choices for a long-lasting SUV that can easily surpass 200,000 miles. Number 3. Honda Accord. This sedan has built a strong reputation for being able to handle high mileage with minimal issues. Both iSeeCars and CarEdge gave the Accord top marks, with an A rating and projected maintenance and repair costs of only $1,500 over 5 years. iSeeCars also places the Accord in a similar range as the CR-V for vehicles most likely to reach 400,000 miles, making it one of the top choices for long-term dependability. The Accord Hybrid is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable, long-lasting sedan that can comfortably exceed 200,000 miles while remaining cost-effective. Number 2. Toyota Prius. The Prius secures the second spot as a standout in the reliability rankings, being the only fully hybrid vehicle on the list, according to Consumer Reports. It consistently receives high marks for its dependability, and CarEdge awarded it an impressive A+ rating, projecting maintenance and repair costs to be just $1,100 over 5 years, remarkably low for any vehicle. Additionally, iSeeCars rates the Prius highly as a top hybrid, reinforcing its reputation as a long-lasting and efficient choice. Its dependable performance and low cost of ownership have made it a favorite among cab drivers and rideshare operators, who rely on its fuel efficiency and reliability. Number 1. Toyota Camry. The Camry claims the top spot on the list as the most reliable vehicle, earning unparalleled acclaim from various sources. Both Consumer Reports and CarEdge rate the Camry highly for its exceptional reliability, and it ties with the Prius for the lowest estimated maintenance and repair costs of just $1,100 over 5 years. An impressive feat for any sedan. iSeeCars highlights the Camry's outstanding longevity, noting that the only passenger car with a better chance of exceeding 250,000 miles was its sibling, the now discontinued Avalon. This strong track record for high mileage makes the Camry a popular choice among cab drivers who depend on its durability and efficiency to withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you opt for the traditional gas model or the hybrid variant, the Camry stands out as an excellent choice for anyone prioritizing reliability and long-term value in their vehicle.